Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to scrape posts by keyword on X. First, open the MKTX software, then go to the Scan Data section. Next, select the Scan Tweet by Keyword function. Enter the keyword you want to scrape, configure a few basic settings, and select the account you'll use to perform the scan. Click Start, and the software will automatically find and list all the tweets related to the keyword you entered in a clear table format. Once the scan is complete, you can copy all the tweet links and use them with the auto-comment feature built into the software. If you'd like to implement this tool, feel free to contact me using the info in the video description for full setup and support. See you in the next video.